eye quiz. Can you guess these animals from their eyes? Let's find out. Here's your first challenge. Look at these captivating eyes. What animal do you think they belong to? You got it right. Those eyes belong to an owl. Take a look at these eyes. What animal comes to mind? Those eyes belong to a fly. Let's see if you can guess this one. Nailed it! These eyes are from a shark. Whose eyes are these? It's the chameleon. Have you got it right? Here's your challenge. Gaze into these captivating eyes. Have you guessed it? Tell us in the comments.